the
Absolutely.
last thing that you want is for a seller to not be able to sell their unit because of this, especially when you have well-qualified buyers at the table. And yeah, you may get lucky and get a cash buyer, but it's going to affect all of the unit's values. If this seller's unit is not selling, that's going to affect their value. That affects everybody. And so I guess my advice to an HOA or an owner is to be involved in this process. Find out where your HOA is with this process. A lot of agents who have never heard of this. I had not heard about this. And as a seller, as an owner, get involved in your HOA, read your meeting minutes, vote, get on the board. The head in the sand is not going to work anymore. And unfortunately, by the time you figure out what's going on, it may be too late.